There was a time when the man believed respect came from being louder, smarter, and more successful than others. He worked hard and climbed quickly. People noticed him. Meetings stopped when he spoke. Rooms turned quiet when he entered. At first this attention felt good, it felt like respect. But slowly, something changed. He began to speak over others. He stopped listening. He believed being right mattered more than being kind. When someone made a mistake, he reminded them publicly. When someone disagreed, he took it personally. He believed fear and authority were signs of leadership. People obeyed him, but they didn't trust him. He didn't see the difference. One day, a major project failed, not because of lack of skill, but because no one spoke honestly. People saw the problem early, but stayed silent. They were afraid of being embarrassed, corrected, or ignored. The failure cost money, time, and reputation. For the first time, the man stood alone in a quiet room, surrounded by the results of his own behavior. No one blamed him loudly. No one argued. They simply stepped back. That silence hurt more than criticism. He went home that night feeling heavy. He replayed conversations in his head. Faces he ignored. Warnings he dismissed. Questions he never answered. Slowly, a truth became clear. People didn't respect him. They were just avoiding him. The next day, something changed. He walked into the office and didn't speak first. He listened. When someone shared an idea, he asked questions instead of correcting. When someone pointed out a mistake, he thanked them. At first, people were confused. They waited for anger. They expected sarcasm. It never came. When he made a mistake, he admitted it openly. When he didn't know something, he said so without shame. He began to credit others for success instead of taking it for himself. Days passed. Then weeks. Something powerful happened. People began to speak freely. Ideas improved. Trust slowly returned, not because he demanded it, but because he earned it. He noticed people stayed after meetings to talk. They asked for advice. They laughed again. The same room that once felt tense now felt alive. One evening, a colleague said something that stayed with him forever. "We don't respect you because of your position anymore. We respect you because of how you treat us." That night, the man understood a lesson he had missed for years. Respect doesn't grow from pride, it grows from humility. True leaders don't stand above others. They stand with them. From that day on, he chose humility, not as weakness, but as strength. He learned that listening is more powerful than speaking, and kindness leaves a deeper impact than control. He didn't lose authority. He gained something better. True respect. Life lesson. Pride may get attention, but humility earns respect. People follow power out of fear, but follow humility out of trust. And the strongest person in the room is often the one who doesn't need to prove it.